Your financial freedom is a canvas. You are the artist, and your choices are the brushstrokes. In the tapestry of wealth, every thread of dedication weaves success. Dreams alone are seeds, but action nurtures them into the forest of prosperity. With the right blueprint, your financial future becomes a masterpiece. Dare to believe that you possess the power to shape your wealth. True wealth is found not just in currency but in the abundance of your experiences. In the chapters of life, financial freedom is the story you author. Success in wealth creation is not a destination. It's a remarkable journey. The blueprint to financial freedom begins with a commitment to self. Your wealth is the result of your actions, your choices, and your unwavering belief. Within Financial Freedom Blueprint, discover the roadmap to a prosperous life. As you follow this blueprint, remember that your path to wealth is a work of art crafted with vision and determination.